Welcome back to the Bill and Ray Show. I'm Bill and I'm out in the brew house again today, and I'm going to be making some mead. I've got some honey from our commercial hives we have on the property that pay us with honey, and I've got quite a bit here that's getting a little old and needs to be used up, so mead's a good thing to use it for. I'm going to be using a gallon of organic apple cider. Got this at the store. It's unfiltered. That'll give a lot of good nutrients for the yeast. And honey is kind of a natural antibiotic, antimicrobial, so it needs something added to it for the yeast to really have the nutrients that it needs to get fermenting well. So that's the way I'm doing it. I like a little apple juice in there. I've got a couple spices. The yeast I'm using is a K1-V1116. It's a fairly alcohol tolerant yeast, so it can ferment out probably around 15% if we get our sugar level up pretty good here. So stick around if you get a chance and see how we go. So I boiled some water and added some spices, let them steep for a while, and now I've taken the spices out and I'm letting it cool down until I add the honey at about 140 degrees. But it's still a bit hot, so we're going to go ahead and put in the cider. That'll cool it down a little bit. Cider I'm not as concerned about being hot. A good jug to put some mead in. It actually dropped it down a bit too much. It's down to 130. I'm actually going to fire it up and raise the temperature a little bit. Okay, so we warmed up pretty quick there. Got our honey and some hot water here. Recycling through there. Don't need that in there. Check our gravity here. Honey out of here, add some of our hot must back in the jug. Brix reading, or the specific gravity that we're really looking for. last reading. 1092 is what we'd like. We're at least that. I think we got a pretty good gravity on there now. Okay, we've cooled down the must and it's about good temperature for pitching the yeast. I'm going to transfer it into a glass carboy. This is a 6.5 gallon carboy, and first thing I need to do is some sanitizing. So I'm going to pour sanitizer in here. Go ahead and shake this up a little bit. Okay, so we've got our auto siphon here. We're going to run a little sanitizer through it. Yeah, we pretty much just want to run some sanitizer all down. This sanitizer, Star San, won't bother the final product at all. It actually is kind of good for it. These bubbles are actually kind of a good thing. We'll get our airlock in here, sanitizer, our cork, I'm going to use a siphon to transfer. It's just a little safer than trying to pour from this whole thing into a funnel. That's probably just not going to work very well. So this will take a little while, but it'll get it safely transferred. Okay, the siphon transferred pretty much all of it. Got our yeast all ready to go. It's going to be a pretty full carboy. This is going to be boiling over probably a little bit to start with as it starts fermenting. So this turned out a little more volume than I thought it would by the time I added all the honey. I kind of had too much water there to start with, and I was trying to get it up to the right specific gravity to start with. So we're starting pretty high. 1.099 was the gravity, and if this gets actively fermenting, it's going to spill over and make a mess, but that's what brewing's all about, having fun and making a mess. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. So it's the next morning and we're getting some good fermenting action going on. It's bubbling fairly well. The temperature strip is showing 66 degrees, so it's cooled off quite a bit. I may need to add a little bit of heat, make sure this doesn't get too cold. That'll really slow down the fermenting. But we're getting some yeast activity, interesting layers. After a while it'll start circulating. But it didn't blow up and boil over, which is a good thing I was a little concerned about. So I think we're off to a pretty good start. This is what I'd like to see. So I'm glad you got to stick around and see the end result here. Well, it isn't finished mead yet, obviously, but we'll check that out later. So thanks again for joining us. See you next time.